Hello, budding storytellers and data wizards. Today, we're going to turn our data detective skills into storytelling magic. We'll learn how to create compelling stories from data sets, helping everyone understand what the numbers are really saying. Ready to weave some tales from charts and numbers? Let's get started. Building stories from sales data. We can tell stories about how things grow or shrink over time, like tracking sales or study hours. Here's how we can talk about sales data from a chart. Print. In January, the company sold 100 units. Sales grew to 120 in February and jumped to 150 in March, showing a strong upward trend as the company became more popular. This story helps us understand that the company is doing better each month, attracting more customers and boosting its sales. Explaining trends in study hours. Another kind of story is about how things change over time, like how much someone studies each week. Print. The students started studying 5 hours a week. By the second week, they increased their study time to 7 hours. And by the third week, they were studying 10 hours a week, showing their growing dedication to improving their grades. This story tells us about the students' effort to study more each week, which might help them achieve better scores. Describing survey results. Surveys give us lots of data to create stories about what people like or dislike. Print. A survey at school showed that 40% of students love math the most, making it the favorite subject, while science and art are liked equally by the rest. This helps us understand what subjects are popular and how diverse the interests are among students. Drawing conclusions from daily data. Daily data like step counts or rainfall can also tell interesting stories. Print. Over the week, the person increased their daily steps from 4,000 to 6,000. By Thursday, they reached 8,000 steps, showing a strong commitment to their health. These stories help us visualize the person's effort to be more active and the changing weather patterns in the town. Today, you've learned how to turn dry data into engaging stories that can be easily understood and remembered. By telling stories about data, we help others see what the numbers mean in real life. Keep practicing your storytelling skills with different data sets. And soon, you'll be a master at explaining data through stories. Can't wait to hear the wonderful stories you will tell in our next lesson.